It's giveaway night, and it's time for this University Blue One to find a brand new home. Now I've just got one question for you. Are you ready? Let's get it.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What up? It's your boy, J-So. Thank you for joining me tonight. Let's see who won the University Blue Jordan 1 giveaway. And now that you're here, make sure that you join the Soul family by tapping that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. And if you like giveaways, make sure you tap that like button. Quick reminder, my only Instagram handle is _JSOLE_. If you see anybody rocking my logo, you know it's a fake. Please report and block. Now I'm sure one of you said, why does J-So say the same thing every single video? Simply is to prevent you from getting scammed. There are fake, predatory J-So accounts on Instagram pretending to be me, sending my followers messages about giveaways and so on and so forth, all for the point of fishing for your personal information. So they've been trying this exact same scam for probably about a year, but you're too smart for it. My point is, I've got your back. Now that that's out of the way, let's take one final look at the University Blue Jordan 1. Now tell me that's not a top contender for Sneaker of the Year. Huh? Yeah, you can. Now before I announce the winner, I need to make it abundantly clear that there were so many people that were deserving of this victory. It was such a close race, but only one person can win. And so without further ado, the winner is Rafael Mendez. Congratulations. To everybody else, I'm sorry that you didn't win this time, but there are so many of you that are on the right path to victory. You just keep it up, and next time might be your time. And if you're not sure what I mean, allow me to clarify. Number one, make sure you're following every step in the giveaway's description. 2, comment your shoe size as many times as you want, but remember, the more you do it, the better. Number 3, the bonus is not an option, it's a necessity. So just stop to think about it. Do whatever you think is necessary to make your account stick out. That's how you show that you want it the most. And that's a major key to victory. In the example of Rafael, this guy must have post notifications turned on because anytime I posted anything, he was always one of the first people to engage on the post. And so he made himself very visible. But it wasn't just on my account. I also saw Rafael very active on every other post's account. So he really made it his priority to make sure that he stuck out. And that's the same thing with every previous winner. So that's pretty much it. It's not a difficult thing, but it does require tenacity and perseverance. You know what? We're giving away Jordan, so why not show up with the Jordan mentality? Okay, so now we know who won the University Blue Jordan 1 giveaway. So what's next? This is what's next. The Jordan 1 Silver Toe. It's a women's exclusive, but it doesn't matter if you've got small feet, big feet. I've got all sizes. So make sure that you enter this giveaway right away. And as always, it's my pleasure to talk to you tonight. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you, and I will see you the very next time. Peace and love.